Hello, Radiolympia. This is direct television from the studios at Alexander Palace. And now we're going to see and hear someone you know well, Miss Helen McKay.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, before we come to the end of our variety show...